5 ways to sell your digital products and templates. Number 1, Notion. Number 2, Glide Apps. Number 3, Softer. Number 4, Coda. And number 5, Airtable. Notion allows you to build your own workspace and templates, and that's just the beginning. We use Notion to build our standard operating procedures, SOPs. It also allows us to build out our scheduling and all of our wiki documents. Right here, we have Docs. This is a product that we sell where it's all of my notes, the no-code tools I use, everything that I'm building, and books that I'm reading, and I just sell access to this document that I just update. So that's one way to be able to sell a digital product, a no-code product that allows you to scale your business or just have another stream of income. Glide Apps allows you to create very powerful apps within minutes using the power of Google Sheets, Airtable, and other databases. If we look at the Templates tab, this allows you to see the varying degrees of different apps that you can build with Glide. Looking at the different types, including planning, we can see that we can copy the template, but also you can build your own app and sell it either in the template section for Glide, or you can just sell it from your own platform and you can just send a link, put a price to it, and then give access to it based on ones that buy your template. For more examples of different types of apps, take a look at apps for work, small businesses, to get an idea of what people are building, and gives you a really good aha moments of what you can be building for your audience as well. Next, we have Softer. Softer allows you to create marketplaces, internal tools, all of these things. The benefit of this is when you go into one of the pricing plans, you can actually sell your template. For example, if you go into the professional plan, you can transfer applications. That allows you, once you have a following or people like a certain web application that you created, a marketplace or whatever, you can be selling that over and over again to your audience to have another stream of income. Looking at Coda, you can do something very similar to Notion. Now I know there are very different audiences and I'm not trying to have different Notioners come after me or anything like that, but Coda works in a similar way that you can be selling templates for whatever you're solving a problem for maybe an internal dashboard, or if you're tracking something, or tons of other ways that you're using Coda, you can be selling templates easily with this platform. Next up, we have Airtable. Now, there's 2 different ways that you can be using Airtable to start selling. You could be selling Airtable bases, or you can be selling different app scripts with Airtable. That just means if you're doing an add-on to Airtable. So I'd first back up, what are you trying to sell? Either access to an Airtable base, or you just allowing people to duplicate your Airtable, the way that you structure your Airtable base, or are you trying to sell an add-on? But there is a really good ecosystem with Airtable, and it just keeps getting better and better. We have seen in the past people use Airtable in a lot of different ways. You can take a look at some of the things built in the marketplace, but also if we look at the scripts, we can do a whole nother video breaking that down, but people are actually selling their scripts for people to have advancement using their Airtable. It's the same way people using add-ons for Google Sheets, but again, it's for Airtable. That is just 5 of the ways that you can start building a high profit side hustle using templates and using digital downloads. There is a whole Notion doc that we have right here that breaks down micro SaaS, knowledge as a service, all of those different things, and business ideas, just to name a few that you can get access. There's going to be a link down below if you're interested. If you're looking for different ways to make money online, there's a video right here that breaks down the 6 ways that you can get started in 2022.